Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute owl. So you can see that I'm using my red pen to draw a cute owl. I'm drawing a big circle here. Now I'm drawing another one. Actually, these are the owl's eyes. Now let's draw its wings. To draw its wings, I'm using my brown pen. Inside its eyes, I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm using my black pen. Let's draw its eyelids. I'm using my pink pen. To color, I'm using my pink highlighter pen. I'm using a light brown color. To draw its claw, I'm using my black pen. It has sharp nails. I'm using my brown pen to draw a branch of a tree. Here's a tiny leaf. To draw the leaf, I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my pink pen again, and it's looking amazing. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.